Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Pundi X token. After a drastic drop, the price line of Pundi X has recovered more than 129% so far. And in today's video, I want to show you a very powerful bullish signal that is being appeared on the daily time frame chart. Previously, when this signal was appeared on the NPXS chart, I shared that move with you. Almost 10 months ago. This was the video, and this was also the video when the price line was breaking out the Ichimoku bearish cloud, and this was a chart that I shared with you, and I told you that after that we can expect a very powerful bullish move. You can see this video. This is why the Pundi X or NPXS won't stop the bullish move. Another wave is expected within next few hours. And I predicted in this video 5,000% gains after this bullish signal. And I remember I received so much criticism for this video and this video as well. And now you can see this was a chart, and you can see at that time the price line was moving at $0.0002, $0.0002, and after playing the chart we can see that it moved to 1 cent. That was more than 6,000% move. Now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, this is the new Pundi X token, then here we can see that we have so many resistance levels now, but there are two resistance levels which are very important to be broken out. Number one is this $1.75. You can see that this resistance level has been breaking as a very strong resistance here and a very strong support here as well. When the price line was moving down, it used this level as a support, moved towards the upside, and after breaking down this level $1.75, it could not break out this level and move all the way down up to this 60-cent support level. Even the price line moved up to 57.8 cents, and now it has recovered and moved approximately up to $1.33. That was more than 129% recovery rally so far. Now for any kind of big move, first the price line need to break out this $1.75, and the most important thing is that the price line needs to be above $1 support level. This is really very important, because if it will be broken down, we don't have any significant resistance or support between $1 to this 60-cent support level. And once this $1 support level will be broken down on the daily time frame, then the price action can again move down to this 60-cent support. Therefore the price line needs to be above $1 support level, and we can see that after a long time period, even for the first time in the history of new Pundi X token, it has broken out this 25 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart, and it is also having a very strong resistance by the 50 simple moving average. This green one is the 50 simple moving average, and this blue one is the 25 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart. Now after this resistance, the $1 resistance level, support level, we have $1.3 resistance, and this has been breaking as a support here. And then we have very strong resistance at $1.75. Then we have this $2.2 support level that has been breaking as a support here and here as well, even though we had a spike up to $1.75, but it has been also breaking as a support at that time, because the price line was not having closing below this level. And then we have the next resistance at $3.5. Here you can see that when the price line was reverse bullish, it was not able to break out this resistance of $3.5 even after the several attempts on the daily time frame chart. Then we have the minor resistance at $4.5, and the major resistance will be at $5.5. Once it will be broken down, then the price action can imminently move up to $10 resistance level. Now if we take a look at the different exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21 on this same daily time frame chart, then you can see that after a long time period, even in the first time in the history of the new Pundi X token, the EMA 10, the exponential moving average 10, this blue one, has crossed up this EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21. And EMA 10 is a smaller time frame moving average, and the EMA 21 is a bigger one. Whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger one, especially the EMA 10 and 21 on the daily time frame chart, that is the buying or bullish signal. And the candlesticks are moving above the EMA 10 and 21 at the same time. We can see that the price line is also moving above the simple moving average 25 and this $1 support level as well. So this is really critical and important time for the Pundi X to save these supports. And then once the price line will be able to save these supports, then it can start a very big move from here. And I'll show you what kind of bullish signal I have received by the Ichimoku cloud again, like I have shared previously here almost 10 months ago with you. And the price line surged more than my expectations. I was expecting 5,000%, and within a year, even within 6 months, the price action surged more than 6,000%. Now, let me just show you this very important chart. Here we can see that on the daily time frame chart, while the price line is at the support of $1, is at the support of 25 simple moving average, and the bull cross of the EMA 10 and 21. This is also very good support. At the same time, the price line is at the support of this up channel as well. You can see on the daily time frame chart, the price action has formed this up channel, and after being rejected, it is moving at the support of this up channel. Now, this is a bearish Ichimoku cloud on the daily time frame chart. Previously, I told you that once the price line will be able to cross up the 4-hourly Ichimoku cloud, then Ichimoku bearish cloud, then we can expect a big move. And let me just show you when the price action recently has crossed up this Ichimoku cloud on the 4-hourly chart. You can see it has turned bullish and recovered more than 129%. Now let's move to this daily time frame chart, and here we can see that this Ichimoku cloud is getting squeezed and more squeezed, and soon it will turn bullish. It will be in green color when it will be turned bullish. That will be giving us the projection that soon in the future the price action can turn bullish. But the most important thing is that we have received a bull cross or the buying signal between the conversion line. This blue one is the conversion line, and this red one is the baseline. Whenever we receive this bull cross below the candlestick, that is a very good buying signal. But we need to have some more signals as well. Like, for example, we need this lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud to cross up the candlesticks, and then after this, the lagging span will also cross up this cloud as well. Okay, when it will cross up the candlestick, that will be the weak bullish signal. But when it will cross up this Ichimoku cloud, that will be the very powerful bullish signal. And then the candlesticks can again turn bullish, and they can again break out this Ichimoku cloud. And after breaking out this Ichimoku cloud on the daily time frame chart, we can expect a very powerful bullish rally like previously we had. This was the weekly time frame chart, but this time, because the price line of Pundi X, the new Pundi X, is quite new, we don't have available the Ichimoku cloud available on the weekly time frame. Therefore, we are watching the Ichimoku cloud on the daily time frame chart, because maximum we have available up to daily time frame chart. So this is a very strong resistance, and you can see that in order to break out this Ichimoku cloud, the price line will need to move approximately here at $1.9, and at the same time, while the price line will be breaking out this Ichimoku cloud resistance, it will also break out this very key level resistance of $1.75 that the price line is not able to break out even after several attempts. And once the price line will break out this $1.75 this resistance level, then I don't think so that it will be difficult for the price line to break out the Ichimoku cloud on the daily time frame chart as well. It can imminently move above the Ichimoku cloud, and maybe we will have a retest after that, and the price action will turn bullish and start a very powerful and massive rally in the long term. But first of all, the price line needs to break out this resistance of the channel, and also needs to break out this $1.3 and $1.75 resistance level, and this 50 simple moving average resistance as well. Then we can expect this powerful bullish move. But this bullish signal, I'm quite optimistic after this bullish signal has been appeared by the Ichimoku cloud. First time in the history of the new Pundi X token that we have received the conversion line and baseline bull cross and the bull cross between the exponential moving averages as well, with EMA 10 and 21 on the daily time frame chart. I'm expecting that now the price line can turn bullish from here, and in the long term we can have a very powerful rally. Maybe the price line will have some struggle here, it will move here sideways in this cloud, and then after a few days, maybe after a few months, it will start a very big rally from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.